What is up, guys? How are you all? And once again, welcome back to our Boya universe. So the OnePlus 8 series has officially been launched, and two new smartphones this time, the OnePlus 8 and the OnePlus 8 Pro. So no doubt everything is going great, and finally they have done it, and they have finally released a flagship device, which they are no longer calling it as a flagship killer or something. So OnePlus 8 Pro is obviously a flagship device, and OnePlus 8 is also a flagship device. We can say it is as a flagship killer because both the phone are supporting Snapdragon 865 and 120 hertz display on the 8 Pro and just 90 hertz display on the 8. So it's no doubt it's amazing, and there are a lot of reasons which we can for why we can use this phone as one of our best smartphone as a flagship phone. The OnePlus 8 series is going to be great this year, and so the most important thing which is introduced in the OnePlus 8 Pro was wireless charging and the IP68 configuration certification, and that is doing great. So as you can see, the OnePlus 8 Pro wireless charging is also doing amazing as compared to the 11 Pro Max or the Samsung S20 Ultra, because it is supporting Samsung OnePlus WAP 30 watts of wireless charging. So it is great, and finally we were waiting for the OnePlus to certify wireless charging and IP68. So here it is. So it is finally a flagship right now. So talking about OnePlus 8 Pro, it is having Snapdragon 865, 120 hertz display, and up to 12 GB of RAM, and LPDDR5 RAM. That is great. UFS 3.0, Wi-Fi 6, and dual stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos, and most importantly, Haptic Vibration 2.0. 4510 milliamp hour battery, warp charge 30T, warp charge 30T wireless, and this is amazing. This is what a flagship amazing a dream flagship device looks like, and finally OnePlus has did it, and OnePlus has done it, and we are appreciating it really because it is finally a true flagship device. 8 Pro is 8 Pro is amazing. 8 is no longer less. That is also great and amazing too. So we'll check out 8 in the next video. So till then, please hit the like button, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share before you leave.